Marshall, back again with another video. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make yourself sneeze. So stay right there and need some tissue. I didn't even know what he's doing. So, what are you doing? So, make yourself sneeze, right? You're going to have a little tissue thing right here, right? And you're going to be, back up! So, I'm going to put this in my nose. This is a challenge I'm doing. I forgot to say that. But I'm gonna sneeze with my eyes open. Oh my god. Oh, I'm done. I'm done doing it. I'm about to go get me something to eat. And yeah, peace.